Hi there, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I make mini albums and other paper crafts as I travel the country. I live full-time in my RV. There's a video on my channel if you want to see what my craft room looks like in my RV. And this week I was working on this paper pad. It was called Field Study. And this is what's left of the cover. I still might cut out those butterflies, but it's pretty beat up because I've used a lot of it. Now what I've made with that are a couple of folios. Let me back up. My kids came to visit and I wanted to make a project with some of the photos from the hikes we did with the kids, and this inspired this folio. So on the front cover, I don't know if you can see, but that butterfly is dimensional. And it opens up to a front pocket here. And there is a photo mat there. And great room to put a photo right there. And then this back page has lots of photo mats. There are 3 pockets here. So you can put the photo mats in the pockets. You can put other photos in there. Lots of different things you can do with that. There's a little card. Now this page opens up like this. And then that one comes down like that. And both of those areas are great to put additional photos on. We'll close that. And then this opens further. So room to put a couple of 4x6 photos or a nice 5x7. And then this is, if you want to do some journaling, that will go nice there. And this pocket on this side to do it. This is held together with a magnet. You can absolutely put a picture there and inside and there. And this opens to show you a folder inside. And there's room there to put more photos. So these are for sale in my Etsy shop. And as well, there's this version of it. So it's a similar style, just the graphics are different. These open up. I've included this so in case you want to use this for photo mats. And that goes like that. So again, room for 5x7 or 2 4x6s. This will go like this. And this is held together with an elastic. Now I'm going to show you these that I had made with the kids' pictures. They haven't seen it yet, so I'm not sure if they want their pictures to be seen, so I will probably not show you their faces. So this is a mini album without a spine. It just has a chipboard cover. And it's got pages. What I did is I counted how many photos I had, and I made pages to correspond with that. It was at the end of the paper pad, so I didn't have that much paper left. So I did color blocking with just cutting paper to fit it. For instance, on here, I put the photo down and then color blocked it with the strips of paper. So it goes like that. And then this side has pictures as well. And then there's the pocket in the back for additional photos. And this is quick and easy. I'll probably do a tutorial on this style. And that closes like this. But you could also have a magnetic closure if you wanted to. And then this one shows you what it looks like when you actually put photos in. So there's photos there. Then I put some extra photos in those pockets that I didn't put in a photo mat. See how that looks nice when it's framed with a photo mat? That opens up, and then this, see how you can use those small places to put a small photo on. And there's a photo there, one down there, and then I also included photos there. So there we go. There is the folios and mini albums I did using the field study paper pad. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. There will be a tutorial on how I made this style of mini album coming up. Simple and easy. The binding system is super simple. It's not a hinge binding. It's just quick and easy. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.